guys, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Harry Jess. I know it's been a while. I'm actually so excited today because I have a lovely experience I'd like to share with you all. Today I'm going to have my first boat cruise experience. I don't know if some of you have already had this, but I'm quite excited because it's my first, and I'll be so happy to share my experience with you guys, how it's going to look like, what games we're going to play, what I'm going to do in it, everything that we're going to do today. So just stay tuned for updates. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, yeah, guys, I'm with my friends. Like I said, I'm going to keep you all updated on what we're going to do today. Yeah, baby. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay guys, we just arrived the site. We're still waiting for other friends to come and join us.
If you listen to him, I'll reach on Sunday and deal with you. I'll call it. See, I need to bring empty charger. Empty charger, you come on, sir. I think I answer me. No, that's not me. No, that's not.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the clouds where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
guys, so sorry, I had to take the sound for this particular section down because I actually do not own the copyright for that. So it's rather unfortunate you cannot really get what I'm singing here. But man, it was fun. It was fun. So I actually had so much fun, and to a certain extent, I even didn't want to go back home. I wanted to just continue celebrating, but then every good thing normally comes to an end. So that's how we saw it. I just hope you like this video. Guys, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, please. If there's anything you like to say
So
about this
guys,
video,
thanks
please
very
just drop
much
it
for
at the comment
watching.
section
Stay tuned
and
for
I'll be
subsequent
there
content.
immediately.